Thank you all for finding the next session link, and apologies, I know this wasn't on the original agenda. We moved a couple of things around because we wanted to make sure that we make time for all of our event sponsors to talk to you about their products and solutions. So joining us for this next presentation, we have Cory Miller from Capstone, and I'm going to hand it off to Cory.
Thank you, Kathy, and thank you, NAPM, for having us, and thank you all for joining. With that, I'm going to jump right in. Capstone Technologies was founded in 1999 by an innovative group of engineers based in Lincoln, Nebraska. Since then, we've been providing business engineering and automated solutions exclusively to the print-to-mail industry. We are industry leaders in the use of robots and software technology that generate operational cost reductions and significant efficiencies for our partners. Today, I'm going to walk through our AutoVery solution suite. So prior to AutoVery, this is very much what the mail process looked like. Highly manual, very labor intensive with lots of room for error. And never were you really sure that when the truck left, your digital and physical workflows would sync up. After AutoVery, so introducing AutoVery is a patented solution that integrates your mail operations, physical and digital workflows, giving you total production visibility to everyone in your business. With AutoVery software, you can find and fix 17 costly USPS mail scorecard errors before you release jobs to the USPS. You'll protect your work share discount by preventing errors while your jobs are still under your control. I'm going to start off by discussing some of our automation and the robots. So here we have an AutoVery trayer. Modular by design, the trayer performs the highly repetitive manual function of sweeping finished envelopes into USPS mail trays to deliver real sustainable savings. It increases throughput and efficiency while significantly lowering costs. It also saves on floor space by combining traying functions of multiple inserters or printers with one robot. It supports digital confirmation of processing to create an audit trail for IMB mail scorecard. Here is the traying system in the wild. Next on to the tagger. It's a centralized robotic tagger that reads 1+ pieces and then trays and generates and applies a tray tag per mail.dat via the AutoVery software. Next, we have the AutoVery sleever. This performs the highly repetitive manual function of sleeving USPS mail trays. Patented and created by print-to-mail experts, the AutoVery Sleever 6.0 is the newest version, integrating additional functionality and offering double the sleeving capacity than its predecessor. And here it is in the wild at one of our current customers. Next, we have the palletizer, which allows mail operations to palletize all finished letter-size USPS mail trays, eliminating labor, reducing injury-related costs, and increasing throughputs are the most obvious financial benefits of the palletizer. It too protects you from costly and avoidable USPS mailer scorecard penalties. This is kind of what a full-service AutoVery operation looks like, fully automated and using our software. Now I'd like to get into some of the key operational advantages. Provides data for physical trays, pallets, and pieces directly from your production floor. Anywhere, allowing the workflow in real time, including job ID. Some of the most common usages to reduce costs with better production are identifying and resolving production errors in real time, QC aids, so more QC time and better QC results, job tracking, finding the needle in the haystack, internal validation, seamless acceptance tool, and shipping status. One thing that continues to come up in conversations is the lack of labor or problems associated with labor. We're seeing minimum wage rates continue to rise, Obviously, we had the COVID pandemic, and some of these jobs are just tough to hire for. So these tools that we're able to provide on the automation and software side are going to answer a lot of the problems that we are all seeing that relate to labor. Here are the 17 USPS mailer scorecard errors that you were able to track in real time before the mail ships on both the preventive and detection side. And obviously, this is going to be taped, so you can spend some more time on it or reach out if you'd like to discuss these in more detail. It's going to provide real-time feedback and visibility via fixed scanners and automation. These are for our larger customers. For our small and medium size, we're able to provide real-time production floor visibility via hand scanners. So it's simple as an Android phone and our scanner packaged up with our software. This is really where we are at now with the AutoVery software. The traying, tagging, sleeving, and palletizing, we have automated all of those. We've connected your physical and digital workflows. So now you can rest assured that when the truck leaves the docks, digital will equal the physical. So how do you start? If you're interested in learning more about Capstone's innovative patented AutoVery suite of robotic and software solutions, please email myself, cmiller@captechno.com. One of the biggest pushbacks we've had is the fear of change, introducing new software, introducing automation. And one of our goals is to make this addition as seamless as possible. So a Capstone implementation expert is going to do the following. We're going to enable organizational change management. So in addition to focusing on the technology, we will address issues related to logistics. We will engage with your employees and help them embrace the new technology to improve your overall performance. We're also here to protect your interests. We want to prioritize needs versus wants. We will configure the software that meets your needs while helping you save time and money, all while ensuring you have the appropriate resources, plans, and strategy. And we want you to focus on your core business throughout the entire implementation. We're also here to help navigate the lifestyle. We will help you define the path and make informed decisions when things change. And most importantly, we're here to achieve expected benefits. Up front, we're going to identify the expected benefits. We're going to complete the integration on time, and we are going to ensure all problems are ironed out prior to going live. From there, we have a client relations team that Pat Keenan, many of you know, heads up. And they are here to support anything from parts and inventory for emergency repair, warranty issues and RMAs, general questions about your Capstone product, emergency support, remote and on-site, maintenance agreement, and really invoicing or other general business questions. Our client relations team is here for you 24/7, 365 to take care of your needs. And want to finish with the NAPM member special. So whether you are a current NAPM member or thinking about joining this year, we are going to take care of 1 year of your NAPM membership when you sign your agreement with us, which is a great break for your budget on top of what the AutoVery software is already helping you save. So thank you guys very much for your time. Please feel free to reach out with any questions or discuss in more detail. My email is cmiller@captechno.com.
Thank you, Cory. And thank you for that great offer for NAPM members. I know we really appreciate that. And I hope you get lots of traction on that, lots of people taking advantage of it. So this is going to take us into our real break. We have 20 minutes before we move into table topics. During that time, I highly encourage folks to go out to the virtual exhibit hall, check out the exhibit booths. Cap Techno is out there and lots of our other vendor sponsors have booths. Lots of great videos, information. Some of them have folks manning the booths during breaks, so you can engage in a chat if you want to and get some questions answered. Again, we couldn't do these events without the support of our vendor sponsors. So please, if you haven't already, or maybe if you have, go back and take a second look at our virtual exhibit hall. We will see everybody at 2:30. Don't forget, you are signing into the next session via Zoom. The Zoom information is there in the session when you go and click on it. So it'll instruct you right there how to join via Zoom for our table topics. It's a great session, so hopefully we will see everybody there.